Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I am Bernard Joseph Reyes together with Miss Joanna Marie Bacong to introduce you to our project What's the Cost, the go-to electricity usage calculator. As an incoming homeowner, we should also consider how much can our appliances contribute to our electricity bills, and that's how our project will come into the picture. At the very start of the code, the first user-defined function shows how it will calculate the total consumption by using the formula for kilowatt per hour, where it uses the watts divided by 1000 multiplied by hours usage and multiplied again by 30. In this user-defined function for calculating the single device option, it will ask the users to give the watts of appliance and how long in hours do you use it in a day. Then it will automatically shows the user how much it costs for the whole month.
For the second option is called calculating total usage of multiple appliances. This option allows you to enter more than one appliance to calculate the total monthly electricity consumption and the cost. It works when you put how many appliances you'd like to add, and for each appliances you provide wattage or how much power it uses. Next is daily usage time in hours. Also, the program calculates monthly consumption in kilowatt per hour and monthly cost in peso. At the end, it gives you the total cost and total energy usage for all appliances combined. Useful for tracking your entire household's power consumption.
Next user-defined function is for giving the user some electricity saving tips to help lessen their electricity bill. Some tips listed here like unplug appliances when not in use, and the list goes on.
For the fourth option, you have tracking your budget versus your actual usage. This option helps you monitor if you're staying within your electricity budget. So how does it work? You enter your actual electricity bill for a month, then input your target budget. The program compares the two and tells you if you exceed your budget, exactly hit your budget, or stay within your budget. Next, it is useful for managing your monthly spending and identifying if you need to reduce electricity use.
Next, this user-defined function is for a guide on energy rating for the users to check their appliances and help them on buying new appliances by following this guide.
For the sixth option, we have comparing two devices. This option helps you compare the energy cost of two devices to see which one is more energy efficient. So how does it work? You enter the wattage and daily usage for device 1 and device 2. The program calculates and displays the monthly electricity cost for each. It then tells you which device uses less energy or the cheaper to run. It is useful for choosing between two appliances when buying or replacing one.
Next, this user-defined functions shows what this app is. The parameter includes how the calculator helps the user to monitor, budget, and save their electricity bills, with also mentioning how the coders who are determined to give awareness to homeowners about their electricity bills. Then, lastly, at the end of the code, where it will welcome the users to the code, it will start by asking how much does your provider cost by kilowatt per hour. Then it will show you a variety of options you want to do with the calculator. Once you click the option by number, it will then use the user-defined function stated earlier. Once finished with the chosen option, it will then be looped and brings the user back to the main menu, and the user can have the choice to pick another option or to exit the calculator. Now, for the demo of the code. Starting, it will ask the user how much does your provider cost per kilowatt per hour. Let's say 11 pesos. Then, after that, it will bring you to the main menu for the users to choose an option. For example, we will use the option to calculate the electricity usage of a single device by pressing 1, then enter. It will ask you how much watt does the device have. Let's say it has 60 watts. And how many hours you use it daily. Let's say for almost 6 hours. Then, there is how much your monthly cost on that device is. Then, after that, you have a choice to choose another option or to exit the calculator. And when you want to add, when using the calculator, you can only choose from 1 to 8 as using other numbers will lead it to be invalid. Let's say we choose the number 9. After that, it will say your option is invalid and you should only choose between 1 and 8. Now, that's all and thank you. Hope you learned a new way to save up and to be aware on you and why and how your electricity bill go up without you even noticing. Thank you for listening and hope you have a great day.